Life moves in ways we rarely expect. Sometimes it feels like a steady rhythm, and other times like a song skipping between stations. We spend so much of our time waiting for the weekend, for summer, for someone to understand us, for a version of ourselves that finally has it all figured out. But life isn't hiding in the future, it's happening right now, in this exact moment, in the breath you just took, in the light coming through your window, in the way the world keeps going, even when you're not sure how to keep up with it. We think life is made of milestones, graduations, jobs, relationships, endings, beginnings. But when you look back, it's the in between that stays with you. The late night drives with no destination, the uncontrollable laughter over something stupid, the quiet walk home when your mind finally felt still. That's where the meaning hides, in the pieces you weren't trying to capture but did anyway. Some days are heavy, some days are soft, some stretch out forever, and other vanish before you even realize they begin. All of them count, even the ones where you don't get much done, even the ones where you're just surviving. Growth doesn't always look like change on the outside. Sometimes it's just learning to sit with yourself a little longer, to be okay with the quiet. There's no timeline, no rule book, no perfect version of you waiting at the finish line. You're allowed to go slow, to take breaks. You will lose things along the way. People, plans, versions of yourselves you once loved, but life have this way of giving too. You won't always feel okay. Some mornings will be heavy for no reason, and some nights will stretch on endlessly. So breathe. Let yourself feel what you need to feel. Let the days be what they are without rushing them to become something else.